Hey, Levi here at Mopar 2024. We're out here with my 67 Barracuda slowback at the autocross. Can't wait to see what this Barracuda will do, especially with our new Street Connection suspension.
Hi, I'm Carter with HammerFab. In this video, we're going to show you how to install your riv nuts for your A-Body Mopar Street Connection front K-member. In previous videos, we talked about marking out the holes in the K-member when it was installed for the riv nuts. The holes that we previously marked out for the K-member right here and right here. In this video, we will be stepping these up to an 11/16 with a step bit. The riv nuts supplied are half 13 thread. They're meant to give extra lateral support across the frame for the K-member. You're going to want to use a step bit like this. The reason for using a step bit is to keep the hole centered so that it does not wander. Now that we have drilled out the hole, test fit the riv nut to make sure it fits. You do not want any slop. We're going to use a riv nut installation tool to install these.